Hi there. These comments are for MT, and I am Michael, and I'm getting ready to read and correct your integrated writing practice test. So thank you for doing this. And after reading the essay, my first impression is between 4.5 and 5. Wow. So let's take a look at your essay here. Okay, so if I kind of look at the grammar, I mean, look at this. You got your sentences, Flesh Kincaid grade level is 16.7. This is graduate level writing. Your average sentence here is 35.4 words, and you have some pretty complicated vocabulary that you're using in there. So that looks good. But just telling me that's not enough. I need to go through here. The artificial intelligence is good that Word has, but just like the TOEFL, it has its limitations. Okay, let's take a look. So I think right now I'm going to say you are 25 to 28 points. That is my initial feeling. The author in the reading material claims 3 reasons why Turtle Excluder Device an invention to save endangered sea turtle species from the nets of commercial shrimp fishing boats has been criticized. However, the speaker in the listening material disagrees with all these 3 reasons and thinks that TEDs should be installed on the shrimp boats. Okay, let's keep going. First of all, the author argues that turtles get trapped. I'm going to put rarely. A better location is between the main, the auxiliary, and the main verb there for these almost negative adverbs. They get rarely trapped in that one shrimp boat only catches one turtle per month. Moreover, some shrimp, usually shrimp is an uncount noun, but you can count them, Michael. But it's usually used, honestly. It's kind of like fish, many fish. I know you can say fishes also, but I think shrimp, we usually say shrimp. Some shrimp may escape through the turtle passages in TEDs, leading to significant financial losses to shrimpers in the long term. In contrast, the speaker contests that there are thousands of shrimp boats now along the southern coast of the United States, and that even though one turtle is caught per shrimp boat per month, the trapped turtles. I'm going to get rid of the would be. Why are we talking about hypotheticals here? It sounds like something that's more of a. It's a fact according to the one source. The trapped turtles accumulate to an enormous number on a yearly basis. What if we get rid of on a yearly basis and just say annually? Therefore, the total population of sea turtles will still decrease dramatically, concludes the speaker. This is good. You got the voice markers in there. Very nice. Okay, the next one. Remember, this is important not just for TOEFL, but for academic writing in general. We need to know the different voices in the writing. Now, if we don't know that, we got major problems. Okay, second of all, according to the author, there could be more efficient alternative methods besides TEDs. One method, asserts the author, can be used. I'm going to put that can be used is shortening the underwater time limit of shrimp trapping nets so that the turtle trapped would still be able to get air, was still alive, that the shrimpers can release them in time. This is good. You finally, it has taken you several practice tests to figure out so that, and I think you have figured it out. So that the turtle trap would still be able to get air while still alive, and that the shipper can release them on time. Conversely, the speaker explains that this time limit policy will be extremely difficult to enforce due to the hardness of monitoring. How about due to the difficulty monitoring? And I'm going to put the regulation refers back policy. On the other hand, TEDS would be much easier to be monitored by the government. I'm going to put will here. Will be much easier to monitor by the government, claims the speaker. Finally, the author mentions that TEDs are not effective for larger species of endangered sea turtles, which cannot fit to escape from the turtle passages in TEDs. However, the speaker argues that those turtle passages in TEDs can be easily modified into a larger size without affecting the function, and thereby can fit those larger size turtles. Okay, so I'm going to keep the score here. I was thinking maybe I might go up slightly, but I'm going to keep it the way it is. I'm going to put you at 25 to 28 points out of 30. I did make a few minor corrections in there, but overall, you have a nice organization of ideas. It's a complete, accurate response there. So I think that your score is between 4 and 5. All right, good job on that.